In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a photo and video in CapCut. Now, here is the video that I have here, and I'm thinking of adding like a short logo animation or, just simple picture that we can put here in the beginning. And to do that, what I'm going to do is just simply hit the overlay button down below and then choose add overlay. After doing so, I'm going to go ahead and choose my photo. So it should be this one right here. And then I'm going to choose HD and then add this one. Alright, so there goes my logo. Now I can go ahead and use two of my fingers to basically resize this one, do a lot of things here, resize and then reposition, so on and so forth. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put it here in the middle, just like so, and then I'm gonna try to play this one. Oh, by the way, down below you should be able to resize this one. Just go ahead and drag the endpoint until you decide how long you'd like it to be. For example, in my case, just 3 seconds. So after doing so, I can head over to the beginning and then play this one, and then you can see that we have the photo there acting as our logo. And yeah, basically that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.